Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about OneXBet Partners program. This is also called affiliation program. OneXBet Partner program. In this you will get 25% commission from the loss of the players. Loss of players you bring. So if you bring suppose 10 players and they deposited suppose 50,000 INR or any currency, and if they lost 30,000 overall in a week, and in 25% you will get around maybe how much it will be 8,000. Suppose 8,000 NPR will be your commission. If they bet a lot, if they make so many bets and lose, and you will get a lot of commissions. Overall you will get 25% commissions. So in this you will need your manager to apply for this affiliate program. To find a manager, I'll give my WhatsApp and Telegram in the link in the descriptions, and you can check, and I'll tell you how to register through that link. First you will go to the registration page. This is in descriptions. Go and put random your username, your passport, and you have to re-enter your passport. Here you just have to put like this https://example.com. you can just put like this example.com, and you just leave it like this, leave it like this, leave it like this. Here you will put your name, surname, email. This is compulsory. Don't make any mistake in email. This is not necessary. This is not necessary. Here you have to put your country, your phone number. Here it is better if you put your cryptocurrency wallet address. If not, you have to create one new OneXBet account and select player account. Then in this part you have to put the player ID of that account, and you will receive commission every week. Like in Tuesday you will receive 25% commission. The amount from Sunday to Monday will be calculated, and you will receive on Tuesday. You have to bring players. If you bring a lot of players, your commission will be very high. And the most important thing is you need a manager. A manager who will help you with promo codes, will help you with banners, he will help you with demo accounts. In this way you can earn a lot of money making your own promo code. This promo code are used during registrations. In registration, suppose while you are registering in OneXBet, there is the option to select your country, currency, phone number, and here promo code. Suppose you put lucky promo code, you will put, and at the end of the day you will register. Once your player register using your promo code, he will be attached to your partner account, and you will be receiving 25% commission from every loss he made that day onwards. So this program is very nice